Hey y'all, so I have went all day basically without getting my hair done. It's still kind of damp because I had a scarf on it and it was it's just been tied up and covered up all day. But I am finally about to get it twisted, so I can't wait to show you guys when I get back, and then we can finally put the color effects in. So this is what I'm about to be using to dye my hair today. It's called Color Effect. I know my camera never focuses, but we're gonna figure it out. We're learning each other. We're studentating. But anyway, it's called Color Effect. It's some hair wax made by Magic. It says Magic Collection. It was about $7 at my hair store, and the color that you see on the okay, so basically I'm about to go get my hair done now, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the process of me putting this in. It says that you're supposed to put it on damp hair and then wait till it dries because it can transfer to your clothes, but you know, we're gonna do the full rundown review like later in a different video. But as far as this video, I'm about to go get my hair retwisted, and then we're going to have some fun. I'll see you guys when that happens. I had to film an interlude. Dreams, you're here with me somehow. Oh my God, I see you clearly now. Don't you know you drive me crazy? Don't you know you drive? Don't you know you drive me crazy? Don't you know you drive? Don't you know you drive me crazy? Don't you know you drive? Don't you know you drive me crazy? 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 You can have anything. You can have anything. You can have anything. Took my heart and plus the ring. Think about you all the time. Think about you all the time. Think about you all the time. What keeps to blow my mind? You can have anything. You can have anything. You can have anything. Take my heart and cross the ring. Think about you all the time. Think about you all the time. Think about you all the time. Keeps to blow my mind. You can have anything. You can have anything. You can have anything. Took my heart and crossed the ring. Think about you all the time. So this is the final product of my hair wax, and I'm so excited to style them and wait till they dry. Hope the color lasts. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video. It was very strenuous, and
yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed my wash day, and 2020 has way more videos to come. I'm gonna be on my shit. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll be sure to answer it in the comments if I don't do a follow-up video for this. And if you guys just want me to do a follow-up video so I can just talk and just talk like I did with the box spray video, then just comment below and I'll do that. It's up to you. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.